In this lesson, we're going to continue Project 2. Our last lesson, we did a study of the shaving cream. We piled it up and we created a two-value Notan, being conscious of the interlocking black and white shapes. And we also decided where our can was going to go in relationship to the cream. Now, you see my study here, I actually don't have this centered properly, and that's fine because it's a study. And I'm going to go through the tracing process in just a minute, but I wanted to speed ahead and show you what the final piece is supposed to look like. This is the completed project, and I have my shaving cream. I've shifted my composition properly within my sheet of paper. I've carried the right proportion between these two objects. I've included their cast shadows and a design of the label, okay? I'm just going to plow through here. I also want you to look at the border. Start thinking about the border. The border does not need to be a rectangle that just goes around the image. In this image, I have an implied border. So by actually having this rectangular shape here, I've implied where the border is. And here I've actually literally put a border in, okay? So you can have an implied border or a literal border. And I'm going to talk about that in a future lesson. But I just wanted to show you some ideas that you may want to put in your own piece, okay? And lastly, we're going to watercolor the stripes. Most cans come with red stripes. If you bought one that came with green stripes, that's fine. The Dollar General sells this Barbasol cream really cheap, and I would recommend maybe getting 2 cans in case you need to pour out the cream again. Okay? So now let's go on to the tracing.